Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be continuing on from the chess clock. In the last video I made the layout, which includes two buttons for player 1 and player 2, settings, pause, and reset buttons, and a text view that allows you to change the time for the players. In this video I'll be making the timer itself. So let's get started. We'll have a couple of variables, and we'll have a support action bar hide, which is that the bar or the thing that says what the app is on top be hidden. So how to do that is we're going to go into it and put support action bar dot hide, which will hide the action bar. Then we'll have a function with variable. So the function will be private, will be called time. And then the variables would be called var times 1 equal blank, var a equals 2, var player on equals 1, var timer on equals false, var time 1 equals 5, var time 2 equals 5, var time 12 equals 0, var time 21 equals 0, and var b equals 1. And inside the time function, we will have an if statement that says if timer on, then braces, meaning if timer's on is true. If layer on equals 1, then we would put function p1 will be if time 12 equals 0 and time 1 not equal 0. We'll have time 1 minus equals 1, comma, time 12 equals 60. We'll continue on in this function, which we have time 12 minus equal 1, val out equals time 1, comma, $sign time 12. So time 12 is seconds, time 1 is minutes. Time 2 is minutes, time 21 is seconds. We'll have a handler. Will be post delayed player 1.text equals output, and it will be delayed by 1000 milliseconds or 1000 seconds. Then we'll have another handler. This will be post delayed if time 1 is less than or equal to 0 and time 12 is less than or equal to 0, then a player on equals 0. And this will be delayed by 1100. We'll also add a couple more, so we'll put enter time 12, 12 greater than 0, and player on 1, and a equals 1. Then we'll have p1 parentheses, which will play a function. Alright? And we'll play p1 on the bottom of it. After that, we will make layer 2. Layer on 2. And make sure the if player on and if player 1 is inside if timer's on. So when we do hit the pause button for timer to be paused, we can pause both of these functions. Timer on equals 2. We'll have time 21 equals 0 and time 2 does not equal 0. We'll have time 2 equals 1, comma, time 12 equals, not 12, time 21. We'll have time 21 minus equal 1. Now output equal time 2, comma, $ time 1. And our parentheses post delayed layer 2 dot text equals output $ output. And before we continue on, this whole thing is supposed to be in a function. So let's add a function real quick. Function 2. And at the bottom of this, we'll put output. We'll close it. This will be by 1000 milliseconds. Then we'll have another handle, which will be delayed. Say if time 2 less than or equal to 0 and time 21 less than or equal to 0, then we will have a player on 0. We'll have if time 12 is greater than 0 and player on 2 and a equals 1, then P2 will be delayed 1,100. And that's what it should look like. And this is the time function. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe. Bye!